guys, how's everyone doing? Welcome to another vlog. Today I am in Israel, if you guys didn't know already from the previous video. But today I'm doing something that I would have never thought I would be doing here. I'm going to a private track in Israel, a private motocross track, which is crazy. Like, I don't even have that in the United States, but they barely have any tracks here for motocross in Israel. But these guys that I know, that I met in the United States, they live here now, and they have like a private track in their neighborhood, something like crazy. So I'm on the way there right now. I got like 20 minutes left, and yeah, overall it's gonna be a great day. Super pumped, super excited, and yeah, can't wait to share with you guys. So we're on the way right now. We'll be there in a little. Guys, look, a lifted Jeep in Israel. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's like super rare here. They don't have any of those. It's crazy. It's especially the whole scene here with the cars and stuff. It's so hard and so like expensive to own a car here. Everything is just crazy expensive. So compared to the US, we're like super lucky. But yeah, every time if I see like a normal car that I would see in the US here, I get all excited because it's crazy. You don't see them here that much. Here we are entering the track right now in my super off-road vehicle, the Hyundai. We're on our way. So exciting. Exciting. You guys see this? I'm so excited. Alright guys, so we are at the location right now. Look at this track. This thing is nice. All prepped, watered. Look at this step up over here. You got the little whoop section right there. Let me take you guys on a little tour. So this is more like the beginning. You got a little whoop section here. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Okay. And then you come around this corner. Alright. You got yourself the little double right here. You hit the little double. And then after the little double, you got the big double, Supercross style. This thing's fun. Throws you up high. Right there. You guys see the face? Thing's huge. And then you have the big double. Come around. Go there, back to where we were with the step up. You go back to that corner over there. Hit that double they just built, a new one. Hit this corner, tabletop, back, another tabletop. You got another double style thing over there. This track's awesome. You guys will see in the GoPro footage, but it's crazy. I'm parked right here with my little sports car. We're riding. Yeah, I'll get dressed and then we'll hit the track. Everyone here rides Yamahas. Look at this. Yamaha. 18 Yamaha.
אני לא אקנה אופנוע אחרי שכבר עשו לו. תראה את הדוגמה הכי טובה לאופנוע שמתקשר אליי.
They live the life here, living the dream. Let's get on the track. so back in the car right now. Just finished up riding. I hope you guys enjoyed those clips. It was a crazy day. It was super fun. I really enjoyed myself, and yeah, just had a blast with all the friends and everyone there. It was super fun. The track was on point, and yeah, coming on the way home right now. I have like half an hour drive, no big deal. But overall, it was a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to me, to the channel, and to see more stuff like this. And yeah, I'll be in the US next week, so look forward to more videos coming. But yeah, for now, this video is over. Hope you guys liked it. Peace out.